Hi everyone, my name is Rishi. I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar, and today we have Dhun Jain, who was part of our Batch 23 offline program, and she's here to share her experience of her journey at Digital Scholar. So, how are you doing, Dhun?
Hi, sir. I'm good. How are you doing?
All good, thank you. So, Dhun, tell us about your background, where you're from, and what have you been doing until now?
Okay. I am a college student, second year, and I'm doing visual communication. So I did not want to stick only to the visual thing. Like I want to become a graphic designer, but I thought that to add weightage to whatever I want to do, digital marketing is a must for me. And I even handle a small business of arts and crafts. So I thought that learning this will be an added advantage in my professional life as well as in the passion that I'm following sideways.
And why did you choose Digital Scholar, and why did you choose digital marketing as such?
I kept following Saurav Sir for a long time, and I was really inspired by him. And I knew that he's a genuine person. I got that trust factor on him very easily, and I thought that Digital Scholar is a go-to option. And go just learning online. Like there are other platforms too where we can just learn online, but I thought if I learn it in the offline way, I would even network with people. I would even get to know how things work in the real life too.
So, how was your journey at DS?
It was an amazing journey. Like even it was just for 3 hours. It felt like those 3 hours were peaceful and most importantly they were productive enough that there was never a day where we did not learn anything. We always learned something new every day. And I connected with a lot of people. Though I was the youngest one there, it felt a little odd connecting with people elder to me, but then it was fun bonding with them and spending time with them too.
Awesome. And what was your favorite subject
Social media marketing.
and why?
And why? Because I think that I am a creative person. I believe that I'm a creative person, and the social media field is something in which I can express my creativity in different ways and different platforms. So I like that subject a lot.
And how did Digital Scholar help you in your business? Like, how have you been using the learnings to grow your business or other activities that you're involved in?
Okay, so in the first module, the social media module, the way we learn to apply, the way we learn what content we can apply on our post and reels, it helped me a lot to increase the engagement and impressions on my page. And I did got a good reach. I reached 10K on one of my reels, and increased like more 200 to 300 followers. And then when we learned to run the Facebook ads, the first time I ran it, I got 53 leads. But the mistake I had done was in the lead form, I did not add the phone number column. So I only got the names and emails, and it was a bit difficult because people there is a less ratio when compared to WhatsApp messages, they check their mails. So I lost that particular leads there. I could convert like five of them. But then I thought I'll again run the ads and making sure I don't repeat this mistake. I improvised myself. I got 80 leads, and from that I converted 10 of them. They did not only buy the product which I ran ads for, but even the other products which were available with me.
Wow. And how old are you?
I'm 18.
Wow. So, at the age of 18, you've become an entrepreneur and you're able to market it via online. How do you feel about it?
I feel very good about it, and I just want to make sure that I expand it and use whatever I have learned it in the most productive and the smartest way possible.
And are you confident that you can promote any business online, or you can actually grow scale because of
Yeah,
what you learned and what
yeah,
resonates from?
yeah. If I do the proper research about that particular niche or the particular product from whichever background that product belongs to, I'm confident that I can market it well.
Amazing. And how do you see yourself transforming in just about 5 months? What is the level of confidence you have now, and what changes have you seen after joining DS?
I earlier was scared to like invest in ads majorly. Like I was always scared ki, do I put money in this? Will I get the returns or will I not get the returns? But then I think that for my niche, running ads is a must thing for me to grow. So I've got that confident in the ads thing like perfectly that I need to keep doing this frequently to get a good reach for my business.
Amazing. And so what are you going to miss one thing that about DS?
I'll miss you, sir.
And except for me, like what else are you going to miss about the place?
Yes, that couch sessions, friends sometimes, and then of course the friends,
Right.
teachers and the friends.
Amazing. So, and would you recommend this course to all your friends who's going to be ever watching this, college students, working professionals, business owners? Would you recommend that?
Yes, sir, I would recommend it to them if they are looking forward to grow their business. Then I would surely recommend that they make the most productive use from the sessions here.
Awesome. Lovely. Thank you so much for doing this, Dhun. I think a lot of people will take inspiration being at 18 years old and becoming an entrepreneur, selling your products. And this is like such a great moment for me to know that you're doing really well. Thank you so much for, honestly sharing your experiences.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.